Alright guys, miscellaneous magnets here. New location. Out here off Martin Luther King Boulevard. Every town's got one. So, I'm gonna give it a try out here, see what we can get. Let's get a nice shot of those ducks. Come running up on me like I was gonna feed them. You guys need to go get your own food, man. Anyways, so, I don't know. Oh, look at that guy. He's out there going hard. Probably looking for a mate. Anyways, this ain't the best neighborhood, but you guys are here with me, so I think you can watch my back. Definitely not the best neck of the woods, so hey, but you never know, you might find some good stuff out here. High crime areas seem to pay out, so give the magnet a few throws. It's a man-made pond, so been here for a while, should be able to find some stuff. Anyways, enough talking. Get the magnet strapped on and we'll do this thing. Alright, here we go. Out in the water. Let's see if we can get some good stuff out here. Nothing on the first throw. Feels like we got something. It's heavy. That or it's dragging. Might have lost it. No, what do we get? Got a nail. Not too shabby. Start out the day. A lot of resistance on the rope, man. Ooh, we clicked onto something there. Oh, there's something. We gotta get... Oh, we got something big. I can get back on it. I see bubbles. I see bubbles. There we go. We definitely got something. Have to get the... Might have to get the old grapple hook out for that. But I don't think so. All right. Big find. Whew. Got a chair. Oh, it's peeing. Watch out. Got a chair. It's got a ton of fishing line on it. And looks like a spool. So, hold on, I'm getting a phone call. Yeah, but that's not too shabby. We got all kind of stuff out here, man. Look at that wildlife. Ducks, there's a turtle. Gotta watch out for gators. That's the big one. Oh. Like we snapped onto something there. Rusty nail. Ooh. We're on to something again. Oh, it feels pretty big too. Another chair. Same exact kind. All right. 2 of them. Not doing too bad out here off of MLK Boulevard. Oh, we got some nails too. Look at that. Bunch of them. Oh, I see a lot of bubbles. A lot of bubbles coming behind me. Maybe we got something. I don't feel that heavy. We got a poop bag. Nothing in there. Garbage. Ugh. Oh, nail. I'd like to get me a gun out of here. Right kind of neighborhood. Oh. That felt like something. Another plastic bag. Nails. More nails. Lots of nails out here. Might go for a little. Oh, that's something. First. That felt like a snap. Oop. Man, I'm feeling all kind of stuff out here, man. Definitely hit something right there. Rock or what? Alright, see if we get anything on this one. If not, we're gonna go travel. Oh, we're clicked on. There is something there. You know what? That's okay. Oh, what do we got? Oh, we got a doorknob. More nails. I'm gonna get the grapple hook out because I'm feeling something there. Keeps clicking, coming off. So let's see what we can get. The old grapple hook. Haven't busted this thing out in a minute. Been a few videos. Still have not invested in that WD-40 that I needed to. This thing is stiff. That's okay. It works. It does its job, and that's all that matters. Carabiner locked in, and see if we can get some big stuff. 'Cause I definitely feel something. Couple things. Right up on the dock, too. Who knows? Might be more chairs. Oh, must have missed it. There it is. We got, came off. Oh, there's something there. It's bubbling. Oh, got us another poop bag. Feeling we were gonna get a bunch of those. I wanna know what this thing is. I almost had it. Got it that time. Came off. Something pretty good size. Lots of bubbles. Let's see what we got. Got the sign. That's not too shabby. That's my first whole sign that I got. Man. Chuck that grapple hook out there one more again. And then we're gonna move.